Hi everyone, on this channel I review various sites you send me. I do it so you don't have to. The topic of today's video is Steam cards for free. Let me show you how it's done, and this is a great site that I'm gonna show you, and you can find it on the pinned comment below. The first comment has the site. Alright, so let's get started. This is a great site and you can find it out over here as I said earlier. As you can see, this website has sent thousands of gift cards and there are thousands of more still available. You can have some information here about how it works, and there is also some feedback from the happy users. Alright, so let's get started and let's get the gift card together. So tap on this button over here which says click here. Once you see this new page, you're gonna choose the gift card that you want to get. In my case, I'm gonna choose the $20 one, but you can choose each and every one of them and they all work. Alright, so once you choose, you need to click on the proceed button. This is going to require you to complete a few extra steps. I have already completed them, and in the end, you're gonna get the code, which is gonna look just like this after you complete all the steps, which as I said I have completed already, and I didn't want to make this video very long, so this is why I actually did that, and I'm gonna show you the next steps. After you get the code, simply go back to your Steam account, as you can see here, and then go to the redeem gift card button. So tap on redeem gift card, and as you can see I have already gotten a $20 gift card earlier, but I'm gonna redeem this other one as well. So once you get the code, copy it one more time, and then you need to paste it over here. Alright guys, so now you need to tap on this continue button, and this is gonna redeem the $20 gift card, and as you can see now I have $40 on my account. So guys, thanks for watching, enjoy the gift cards, and as I said earlier, the site is on the pinned comment below. This really works, and it's a great site, especially for people who love getting games and subscriptions, because it's completely free. If you want me to recheck any other sites, please ask in the comments. I check most days and I will do a review for you. If you like the video, as I said earlier, do not forget to leave a like and subscribe. It really helps with the algorithm. Have a great day and enjoy the gift cards.